and welcome. It's Megan here. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to be resetting for the new month. So it's kind of like a weekly reset, but I'll do like a little bit more because we're gonna reflect over the previous month. Happy September when you're watching this. For me, today is the 30th of August. So I'm super excited to like really reflect over this month, set some great intentions, goals, plans for September and the rest of the year. And I figured I'd take you guys along with me. So if you like these kind of videos, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it. I just made me some mushroom coffee. So I make it just like my regular coffee. So I put like a little creamer in it. I don't remember if I showed that. But now I'm about to go journal a little bit on my balcony and get some fresh air. And then we're gonna get dressed and get this day started. Okay, so I'm sitting at my vanity now and turn the light on. Ooh, perfect. So now I'm just putting on my like kind of everyday makeup. I'm moving like so slow today. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't have to buy too much stuff. I already have like a little bit of groceries, but you know like how it's like you're partially running out of stuff, so you have to just get like one or two things to complete the meal. That's kind of what I'm in right now. So I'm gonna run to, yeah, I think I'll do Kroger today. And then when we come back, I'll make breakfast and stuff. I'm gonna go finish my makeup and then we'll get ready to leave. Made it to Kroger. I did my list on my phone today because I've noticed sometimes when I put it on paper, I leave it and then I get frustrated. So, yeah, I don't have too much stuff, just like a quick little list. So we're gonna go in and get just a few staples for the week. And then, honestly, I'm really hungry, so I wish I had have made breakfast before I got here since it's not super busy, but now I know for next time because I just wasn't sure. Because by this time now, Trader Joe's is straight jumping. Okay, but Kroger, this one specifically, people don't be coming over here, I guess. I don't know. We're doing these. I'll do these. Realized I had these two grocery bags in my car, so I wish I had taken them inside because then I wouldn't have had to get any plastic, but I thought I had left all my grocery bags in here. I guess I had 2 left in my trunk. So now I know for next time, but I need to remember to take all of them down to my car. So now we're just gonna do a quick grocery haul from Kroger, and then we can eat because I'm starving. I got some chicken breast, wings, an Italian blend cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, Stoke cold brew, spinach, romaine lettuce, Granny Smith apples, a red onion, a cucumber, garbanzo and pinto beans, some lemon pepper seasoning, canola oil cooking spray, Triscuits, the garlic ones, some egg whites, paper towels, my smoked turkey breast, some frozen potatoes. I've never had them, but I just love having potatoes that are frozen. And then some white sharp cheddar cheese from Tillamook. And then, okay, so I ran out of my hot sauce the other day, and I saw this giant one in there. This is my favorite hot sauce, you guys, the Louisiana brand. I've been using it my whole life. And so I was like, oh, let me get the big one. So this is everything I got. Not a lot of food at all, but these are just a few things that I needed. I'm gonna make the rest of my frozen potatoes that I had from Trader Joe's, some spinach, some egg whites, and then I'll do some cheese. So, whoa. This is hilarious because this is not what I was trying to make at all. I was trying to keep the eggs separate from the potatoes. And I guess normally when I make it, I usually have way more potatoes, so they create like a line where it stops the egg from spreading. I mean, this is fine though, because I typically eat it all together anyway. But I was just tickled once it did it, because I was like, oh, I was trying to keep them separate. I'm gonna review like my previous month, which is August, and I'm gonna use my iPad. Where'd I put it? Oh, okay, so I have monthly goals in August. So apparently I wrote those. I didn't remember doing that. So we're gonna do that, and then reflection. There's like a monthly reflection tab. So it says stuff like, how did I feel emotionally and physically this month? Did I feel mentally at peace? Did I follow my self-care routine, etc.? Questions like that. I'll pop it on the screen, and then I'll try to remember to link the planner on Etsy down in the description. So I'm gonna work on this for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna get me a little iced coffee as a pick-me-up. So now I have my coffee. The thing that I wanted to talk about is the 12-week year. I just finished the book last night, and I feel like it's perfect timing because in 2 days it's September 1st, and I really think instead of focusing on doing just monthly goals and like focusing on like the annual goals that I made at the beginning of the year, that some are no longer relevant, which is kind of something that the book talks about. I think I want to try to incorporate the 12-week year into my life. Basically, the point of it is focus really hard for 12 weeks on like 1 or 2 goals, maybe 3, and you're never gonna get your goals done if you don't just do it. So it talks a lot about like execution and making and like really planning and breaking things down, and the importance of doing something every single day and every week, and how much further that can take you than looking at stuff from like a really far lens, like, on a monthly or even quarterly basis. And then I also ordered a template off of Notion. I actually didn't order it. I saw it on TikTok. This girl made it for her 12-week year, and it's a free template. She uses it for her Notion page. So I'm kind of going to use that to maybe track my progress, because something else that's important in the 12-week year is tracking your progress towards your goals on a weekly and daily basis. So on a daily basis, you have habits that you do, and then at the end of the week, you see what percentage you got towards achieving whatever task that you're supposed to do. And anything, I think, over an 80% is really good, and it's, you know, you're on track to reach your goals. And then obviously if you're not doing that great, it's okay. It's just more of a way to like evaluate it's a way to kind of see very early on, hey, it's the first week, you're already messing up, you need to get it together, you only got 12 weeks, you know? So I'm gonna go plan out my 12-week year. Let me know down in the comments below if you've read this book, if you've used what it talks about in practice. I'm curious. Let me know. So I'm down at the gym. I'm about to just get on the treadmill on an incline. And I don't feel nervous about filming because nobody's in here. It's official, my friends. I'm in the worst shape of my life. My makeup is literally sweating off. So you're like, oh, Meg, you got a good workout in? The treadmill and my watch said I walked for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And I literally feel like I'm about to die. I'm literally devastated because I've never been in this bad of shape. Like, it literally got to the point where I was just like, I just can't. Like, I literally have to stop. Like, I've never been in this bad of shape. Like, typically it's like, you know, I turn the incline off, slow it down, and, you know, I can usually just turn the incline off. I can still keep it at the speed of 3. No. I turned the incline off. I turned it down to like 2.5 and 2, and I still, 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna go cry right now because I'm in the worst shape of my life. I went and I you know, took a little shower. I feel better. I changed it into my lounge set from Amazon that I love. I have it in like 2 colors, and I'm gonna order in other colors too because I love it. But yeah, for a minute, like while I was showering and stuff, I was questioning like what I had planned to eat for dinner, because I had planned to eat pasta, but now I'm just like at the point where I don't know, do I need pasta? Maybe not, because, you know, but realistically, it is what it is. The pasta, I have like a little bit of leftover linguine from the last time I made pasta, like a week ago. The chicken breast tenderloin that I ordered, or that I bought earlier. I've got heavy whipping cream. some of this cheese from Trader Joe's. It's a Quattro Formaggio, or just Formaggi. It's got Parmesan, Asiago, Fontina, and Provolone. So last time I made almost like, I guess, an Alfredo sauce with this, and that might be enough because I don't like to do too much cheese, but if it's not, then I have this Italian blend of cheese too. I do like using like where you shred it yourself, but I don't have time for that. And then I'll also put broccoli in the pasta as well. Ooh. Camera needs a little charge break, but I just wanted to taste test the pasta. Just get a little bit of the noodles and some chicken and a piece of broccoli. Okay, that's a ginormous bite, but it's okay. It's delicious. It could have a tiny bit more sauce, because you know how the pasta absorbs the sauce a little bit. It's still creamy. It still has enough sauce. Like people who don't like super saucy pasta, it's perfect. But I love sauce. Like I love like an overly drenched sauce. But I ran out of like heavy cream. Plus, if I had to put more stuff, it would just add more calories to it. So it's fine. We're good. It's delicious. It tastes good. I'm gonna go relax, watch Girlfriends. That's what I'm watching right now on Netflix. And then maybe I'll check in later. I don't know.